Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's solve this SAT question. In the equation shown above, x, y, and z are positive integers. All of the following could be a possible value of y, except. If you want to give this problem a try, pause the video. Let's see how we can solve this. So, there's actually two methods. There are actually two methods we can solve this. I'm going to show both. So the first one is a general try and guess what works method. To make it easier, we would write this equation having the same denominator, which is 12, and so it's y over 12. This is 4x, 4 is 4x plus y over 12, because 4x over 12 is x over 3. Okay, so we just rewritten it. And what do we know? X, y, and z are positive integers. So z is a positive integer. So this has to be a positive integer, which means that 4x plus y has to be divisible by 12. This just means it's divisible. Doesn't matter. So we know that 4x plus y is some multiple of 12. And we are given the y values. We don't care about the z value, so we can just try to guess it. So x is a positive integer, so 4x, so the value of 4x could be 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, etc. And we have to add y to get some number that is divisible by 12. So let's see, if a is 4, then 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 is divisible by 12. If if y is 6, then I don't see a solution. If y is 8, then 8 plus 4 is 12. This 12, 12 plus 12 is 24. That is divisible by 12. Is 20. Well, yes, if y is 20, then 20 plus 4, that's 24. That's divisible by 12. So our answer is B. Yeah, so that's our try and guess method. Well, yeah, so let's see another one. I will show the algebraic method we could solve this. So a over 4 plus b over 16 equals c. And the equation not shown above because I forgot to show it above. A, b, and c are positive integers. All of the following could be the possible value of b, except. Okay, so let's see. We are interested in the value of b. So we would like to separate b on one side of the equation and have everything else on the other side of the equation. Okay, now we would like to multiply by 16 because then there won't be any factors. So it would be only b. It will be 16c minus that's 4a. Okay, and what can we know about it? Well, we can take 4 and put in front. It would be 4c minus a, and this would be the same if we multiply it out. And now we see that actually b is some multiple of 4. So b is divisible by 4. And if we see the values, 4, 6, 8, 12, 20, there's only 6 that isn't divisible by 4. So that is the value. B can't, that's 6 can be the value of B. Yeah, so have you managed to solve it? Tell me in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos, check out my channel. And thank you for watching.